welcome to Data Engineers Academy. Today I am going to discuss about connecting Power BI with Snowflake by using native drivers. Here in this picture it shows Power BI to Snowflake. Here it connects Microsoft Power BI to Snowflake by using native drivers, which means the drivers that are already inbuilt. So we don't need to install. If we don't have the drivers, we just install ODBC and JDBC drivers, and also it allows for efficient data visualization and analysis. Firstly, what is Power BI? Power BI is a collection of software services. Here Power BI means Power Business Intelligence. So it is used to connect multiple sources of data. And also it is used to transform and clean the data to create a data model. And it creates visuals such as charts and graphs for visualization. Here we have parts of Power BI. Power BI consists of several elements that all work together. Let us see. Power BI Desktop is a Windows desktop application and it is online software as a service. Here Power BI mobile applications for Windows, iOS and also Android devices. Here we need some requirements to connect. Here we have Snowflake account, Power BI account and also Snowflake and Power BI basics. We need to know about some of the basics of Snowflake and also Power BI for the configuration. Steps to follow to establish the connection. Firstly, we have to download the Power BI desktop directly or in the Chrome. Once you click on download, you will get to select 32-bit or 64-bit installation file to download. After installation, you just launch Power BI Desktop. Once you open Power BI Desktop, in the Navigate menu, you just see Get Data and select that Get Data. In the Get Data window, you just see database, right? You just select database. After select database, you just click on Snowflake, which is used to import data from Snowflake. So click on connect. After that you will get server and warehouse. Here server means your Snowflake account URL. And also warehouse, the name of your Snowflake computing warehouse. Once you get selected, you just click on OK. Here it shows all the databases of Snowflake. So here we have student details. You just click on that and you just load the data. Once you load the data, you can see all the data of your Snowflake. And here it shows in Power BI. I will show it practically. Firstly, you open into Snowflake and you just log into Snowflake account. Here I have created a database. I will show. I have created a table named college details. Here I have created this, and once you just create a table and it will show the all details. Here I will select this and it will show the table which I have created. Here I have created this table and it has 9 rows. Coming to Power BI, you just open Power BI. Here we have Power BI desktop. Click on this. Yeah, it will take some time. Yeah, here click on blank report. Here you will see get data, right? Click on this. And here click on more. Here we have database, or just you can type what you want. Like we want Snowflake, right? You just click on Snowflake. Here it is. So click on this Snowflake and this connect. Here it is asking server, which means Snowflake account URL. I will show where it is. Just click on Snowflake. Here we have our account name. So just click on this and here we have our account URL. Just copy it. Once you copied, just click on Power BI and you just paste it. Here we have HTTPS. We don't need this, so just remove it. Here it is by default. We can write compute WH and click OK. Here it shows all the databases I have created in Snowflake. You just see here and select one of the database. Here I am selecting admin data. Here in admin schema, I have college details. Just click on this. Here I have this data, college details table, and just click on college details and then load. Here click on import and just click OK. Yeah, it is loading. Just wait few more seconds. We got our data. Here we have college details, right? And also we can see by table view. Here it shows the table, and also you can see in model view. Here it is. This data where we have in Snowflake. It is loaded into Power BI and we can see here. I will show the data same where it is in Snowflake. Just click on Snowflake. You just click on database and here admin data and click on admin schema. Here we have tables. Here I have selected college details, right? Just click on this. Here data preview. Yeah, we have the same table in Power BI also. So the data which is in Snowflake is shown in Power BI, which is connected. And just go into Power BI. Here we also have different types of graphs, clustered column chart, clustered bar chart, and we have different types of bar graphs and all. Once you just select any one of these, I am selecting here clustered column chart and just drag it. You can also see your data into graphs. I am clicking branch. Here we have x-axis and also y-axis. We can add any one of these. I am selecting marks. Here sum of marks. So it shows in a graphical order. Here it shows our details. Yeah, this is the way to connect Power BI with Snowflake. Thank you.